Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Trinidad and Tobago Indian delicacy called Sahina. Right, it's very popular street food. So let me show you how to make it. Basically, you could say it's my version. So let's see how it's done. So I have here some split peas powder, also known as dal powder. I'm going to be using this to make my Sahina. You can generally find this split peas powder basically in a West Indian store, or maybe West Indian or Caribbean store, or Indian store. We might be able to get this product. So this is how I get my dashing bush already cut up and everything. So this already has the leaves and the stem of the dashing bush. So what I'm going to do, I'll have to open up the packet, separate the stems, and I just want the leaves. So I'll be back when that has been done. Okay, so I have the dashing leaves here alone. I separated the stem of the dashing bush, and I just have the leaves, and I have it here that I showed you before. That was in the bag. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to cut up this the leaves even smaller than this, because I really want it as fine as possible, right? So I'll let you know how much this is. Check out my website, and I'll tell you exactly how much this came out to. All right. So this is 2 teaspoons of yeast. This is a 1/4 cup of green seasoning, homemade green seasoning. I have some turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, ground cumin powder. I have here 1 teaspoon of baking powder, some salt, the juice of 1 lime, and we're using 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of the split peas powder, also known as dal powder, and we use about a 1/2 cup of lukewarm water. Okay, so here's my dashing leaves. Like I said before, I went in and I finely chopped it up again. So I wanted it really finely chopped. So I already have some water in my bowl here, so I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime and really wash out the leaves. This is because the dashing bush have a tendency to itch your tongue. So I'm going to thoroughly try and squeeze in the lime juice into the leaves. Then I'm going to wash it out, squeeze out all as much water as I can. So I'll do this about for 2 to 3 minutes. Just squeeze that juice into the leaves, baby. Okay, so here's my dashing leaves, chopped up very finely and washed out. Right, as I was washing them, I felt the sensation of like an itching sensation on my hand. Every time I put my hands into the bowl with the dashing leaves, I felt that sensation. So be warned, okay? So I'm going to add the other ingredients. I'm going to start with the split peas powder. This came up to about 2 cups of the chopped up dashing leaves, also known as taro leaves. I didn't use the full amount as when I first started. I'm going to mix this in together well. Smell that split peas, baby. Mix that in well. And as I'm mixing, I'm squeezing. I'm going to add the other ingredients. If you wish, you could add all the dry ingredients together and then add it to the dashing leaves. So this is the baking powder, yeast, cumin powder, ground seasoning, salt. And let's mix away. Again, I'm going to add the turmeric powder, which I forgot, and I'm going to gradually add in the flour and squeeze that in. Now I'm going to add in the water. Don't forget to check out my website to see the precise measurements of the ingredients. My water is lukewarm. Okay, so here's my mixture. After mixing all the water, that's about a half cup of lukewarm water. Right, this is the consistency we're looking for. Right, not like a dough, more like a sticky sort of a consistency. Okay, so this is my mixture after about 45 minutes. So I'm going to take this my bowl to the stove and begin to fry portions of them. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I already added some oil because we're going to deep fry the batter in small portions. And of course you have to put a lot of oil. So I'm going to lower the heat because you don't really want the outside to get brown too quick, because you want the dashi leaves to cook properly. So I'm going to lower the heat now. For the shape of this batter, what I did was I picked up about a handful of the mixture. But first of all, I wet my hands and I picked up about a handful of the mixture, and I was able to easily form that bit of mixture into this shape, this nice round shape. I really like that. I was able to control the shape of my Sahina, and I'm super happy with that. So what I did next, after putting each Sahina in the hot oil, I allowed each side to fry about 3 minutes, because like I said before, this is on a medium low heat. You don't want it to get brown too quickly and the inside is not cooked, so you want it to cook gradually and then take color. So 3 minutes on each side, and when I've done that, I took it out and put it on a piece of paper towel to let that excess oil dry out. I really like how it came out, because you know, from my experience, the Sahina that I have eaten before is very oily, but this one, how I did it this way, it didn't absorb as much oil. I'm super pleased with that. So folks, I want to take this opportunity I want to give a special shout out to the people who have been supporting me through my Patreon account. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Right? If other folks, my subscribers, if you're if you are interested in supporting me, check the link in the description box below, and you'll be able to get more information about how to do it. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Okay folks, here's my Sahina all done, right? I made a little mango chutney to serve with it. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.